So I had another special order for an inlaid bowl, and the request was purple, 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 and purple. So I had this big chunk of purple heart I've been sitting on for years. It had a little bit of a sapwood inclusion in it that on the one bottom edge that I thought would turn out, but went a little deeper. So I actually decided to leave it. I thought it looked kind of cool. So uh, just basic bowl turning, turn the base, and then hollow it out. Uh, as deep as this was, I put a little pilot hole in there to help guide my depth, and just hogging this stuff out. The Purple Heart's a weird wood, like it's lovely purple, hence its name, but when you cut it, it starts out as a chocolate brown almost, and it only turns purple after some exposure to air and some UV light after you cut it. Fun facts. So later on, you'll see me throwing this thing outside briefly to get some purple in it before I oil it down. Got the groove out for my inlay. These are Chromacraft Spin Gem. It's a good product. I love this product, and take some epoxy. I threw a little white mica in the epoxy with this. Make a little Rice Krispie treat out of it, and really smash it into that undercut groove. And then it's just a matter of turning it down to get it level, and then invariably there's going to be some bubbles and chip out and stuff that if you're a perfectionist you end up taking a whole lot of time filling in, and just turning out the final shape, and lots of sanding as I'm prone to doing. I'll throw some of my old D-Wax Shellac sanding sealer on there to really help with the final sanding. And this Purple Heart's a really hard wood, especially dry. I've been sitting on this thing for years, but it does turn nice. Finish off the base. I kept this kind of bell-shaped wide bottom bowl to keep that inclusion in the bottom. You'll get a good look at it later. But finish it up, throw it on the little laser to get my signature on there, and throw it outside to finish off the purple. Throw a little oil on, and this is what it looks like. There's that inclusion I was talking about. Really lovely piece, and it certainly is purple. Purple, purple, and more purple. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.